It's a hairstyle. We are going to add a new hairstyle in this video tutorial. So we will use the designs here, make some shapes around it. We can write anything, create any kind of designs. So let's make the changes there. We have to use the shapes. Also create a structure. So we will use the paint here. Keep editing the designs and the print as well. So use that shape.